The iPhone 15 Pro Max will have more enhancements than we anticipated, and we have much to discuss today, including the pricing, specifications, and features. The iPhone 15 series is getting additional color options, with rumors claiming that the iPhone 15 Pro would be available in crimson red. The iPhone 15 and 15 Plus will be available in green, while the Pro and maybe the Pro Max will be available in a new dark blue color similar to what we've seen on the iPhone 12 series, according to Lika Unknowns 21 on Twitter. It's also worth noting that it looks to be made of titanium, corroborating prior claims of a titanium iPhone 15. Now, titanium not only provides a new brush finish to the iPhone 15, but it will also help safeguard and boost the endurance of the phone. We have exciting news that, despite the fact that the phones appear identical and are of comparable size, the battery capacity across the board may be upgraded. According to an inside source at Foxconn, which assembles the iPhones, at least one of the iPhone 15s will have an 18% increase in battery capacity. According to the report, the iPhone 15s has a 3,877 mAh battery, the 15 Plus has a 4,912, the 15 Pro has a 3,650, and the 15 Pro Max has a 4,852 mAh battery. Now, battery life has always been good in iPhones, so increasing the physical capacity together with the newer, more efficient processor would improve things even more. According to Min Chi Kuo, we'll also be receiving an update to the ultra-wideband processors, owing mostly to the new Apple Vision Pro. We've also learned that Apple is planning to integrate Wi-Fi 7 into iPhones, but it won't be ready in time for the iPhone 15 Pro models, and it's scheduled to begin with the iPhone 16. We've got a case leak from Majin Buu on Twitter, and he showcases a new case for the iPhone 15 Pro Max, which shows us pretty much exactly what we're expecting, a similar looking device but slightly more curved, and as you can see, a cut out above the volume rockers for the new action button. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.